Hello everybody, I hope you're doing fine. Today's session is on the present continuous of the verb watch. Koha e tashme, e vazhdueshme, e foljes shikoj. Ose shoh. So I am watching TV. Un po shoh televizor. You are watching a game. Ti po shikon një ndeshje. He is watching his favorite team. He is watching his favorite team. Ai po shikon skuadrën e tij të preferuar. So favorite is preferuar. Team, skuadrën. His, ti. Ai po shikon skuadrën e tij të preferuar. She is watching a baseball match. She's watching a baseball match. Ajo po shikon një ndeshje bejsbolli. We are watching a game of chess. We are watching a game of chess. Ne po shikojmë një lojë shahu. You are watching birds in the field. Ju po shikoni zojsht në ara. They are watching us. Ata ato po na shikojnë ose vëzhgojnë. Am I watching? Apo shikoj unë? Are you watching? Apo shikon ti? Is he watching? Apo shikon ai? Is she watching? Apo shikon ai, ajo? Are we watching? Apo shikojmë ne? Are you watching? Apo shikoni ju? Are they watching? Apo shikojnë ata, ato. As we have said, in Albanian you don't necessarily need a pronoun, so that's why the pronoun is in bracket. So sometimes you may use it, sometimes not. I am not watching. Unë nuk po shikoj. You are not watching. Ti nuk po shikon. He is not watching. Ai nuk po shikon. She is not watching. Ajo nuk po shikon. It is not watching. Ai, ajo nuk po shikon. We are not watching. Ne nuk po shikojmë. You are not watching. Ju nuk po shikoni. They are not watching. Ata, ato nuk po shikojnë. Questions? Pyetësore. Am I watching? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Are you watching? Yes, you are. No, you are not. Or no, I am not. Depends who speaks. Is he watching? Yes, he is. No, he isn't. Is she watching? Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Is it watching? Yes, it is. No, it isn't. Are we watching? Yes, we are. No, we aren't. Are you watching? Yes, you are, or yes, we are. As I said, this is the same as I and you, depends who is speaking. Yes, well, you are. No, you aren't. Are they watching? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. See you tomorrow in the next lesson. Shihemi nesër në mësimin tjetër. Bye bye.